Guys, we need to know who's gonna be the top birds.
It's obviously gonna be me and you, Mario. Like, we make a great team.
So it's gonna be me and Blaze, man.
Dude, we're obviously gonna be them.
And Sonic.exe is recording.
Okay, guys.
Hi. So, who's gonna be the top birds?
It's gonna be
They
me
go
and
up there.
Mario.
No, it's not. Yes, it is. No, it isn't.
It's not. Yes, it is.
Well, if it's not us, then who would it possibly be? This can't be you. No one else could get it. It's way too small. Yes!
Like, me and Mario can fit in these things.
Those little things?
Those things. Don't ever sneeze like that.
Fine. Well, we still need to know who's going to be the top birds.
It's obviously going to be me and Mario. No, it's going to be me and Knuckles.
Avi, no one else is the best on doing it.
Nobody.
3, 2, 1, go in! Dang it.
What? Go in! Ah!
I need to get in! Dang it!
Get in!
Let me try.
Let me.
No!
You gotta throw from the. You gotta go from the body.
Oh, yeah. Oi! I just flipped.
The body height, dude. The body height.
There, it's more loose. Ah! It's still hard.
Ow!
He can't be a billygo bird for the What the heck are you doing?
I'm waiting. Huh.
Yeah.
Guys, Phil's fell in a cave.
Man!
Darn it!
I flipped.
We were so close!
Yes, but
Yeah,
I suck.
Knuckles, they're taking too long.
I know.
Yeah!
He's finally in. Yeah.
Get out! Get out! Get out!
Tails! I will come again.
Back.
Okay, I got tails. Yeah. Dang it.
Ah! Darn it.
My turn.
This might
Dang it.
Dang it.
Dang it.
Dang it.
3, 2, 1. Dang it.
Dang it!
3, 2, 1. Yeah.
No! I was so close!
Man. Who's the one who...
Who's gonna be the
For
top
peace
bird?
sake!
Which team's gonna be the top birds?
Oh my gosh.
Finally!
Finally.
Dude!
No!
We're gonna be sitting here all day on
This might take a
backstage.
moment. After a few minutes of pure hard work, they have to see my butt.
What?
My butt. Your butt. My butt.
What?
When I butt face planks and always beating us in Brawlhalla.
And that's our wall.
Yeah.
We are the top birds. Okay, but we don't even know what to sing.
Sing the billygo words song. Okay. Sing the billygo bird song.
Yeah, sing the billygo birds.
Get down. You guys don't deserve to be billygo birds.
We want to sing the script. Y'all don't even know how to sing it. Pause.
Dude, you have to fix this right now.
Dude, first try, guys.
Tails just made it on the first try.
I know why he deserves to see his butt.
What? Again?
Dude.
Stop doing these.
What?
Okay, now you guys get on stage and start singing. Yeet!
Yeet!
Ow!
Oh, we want to be the top birds.
No be top birds. Oi!
Y'all
Oh,
can't
and guys, there will be part 3, part 2, part 4, part 5, part 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
12 parts till we see who actually got to be the top birds. Then we'll make a secret video of this.
Ooh!
And once we make the secret video, that's it. Yeah! Poop.
Oh my gosh. I suck!
Nobody deserves to see people's bums, so do it like this.
I suck!
I suck! Dude.
actually make me do a backflip every single time.
Guys, and the billygo birds
You're
always have to
looking
do
at me
backflips.
like I'm flipping my mind. Finally.
Looking at me like you gotta get some grind. Why? Ah! I can't make it!
Let me make it! Let me. Ah! 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 Finally!
Dude, I'm sick and tired of you, Blaze.
Oh, wait. Oh! Bully Bill! Boo! Bully Bill, boo. Let me fix this one. Okay, we changed it up. And if you're not the top bird, you can't sing. Anytime.
And
Oh! Oh! We need to become the top birds.
yeah, sure.
Whee!
I don't want to sing. It's just weird. You cannot sing.
If you can't sing the whole around, then that means you suck at singing. Like, I suck at jumping.
And like, I suck at getting through.
Ah! Get to the hoop! Oh!
I'm making it through, but I can't just land on a simple ribbon thingy.
Yeah, I'll make this a bit too hard. Hold up.
Yeah, I'll make this a bit too hard. Just gotta loosen it.
Okay, I loosened mine a bit.
And I am working on it.
Ah!
Ah!
My head is way too
Now
big.
I can fit.
I broke
Now I
mine.
can fit.
Wait a sec.
Okay,
Okay, guys. We stretched it out so all of us can fit.
yeah.
How are we supposed to fit this not so sturdy thing? This thing is literally loose.
This thing's moving. Stop.
That's what I mean. Ow!
Okay, let me go ahead.
Let me try.
Get my butt up.
Let me
Me
try.
and Knuckles are obviously gonna be able to get on. Bro, I'm a
Obviously
cat.
not.
I'm a cat.
You should be. Ow! If
Guys,
you're wondering who controls this, leave it down in the comments who you think. I'll give you a little flash. Okay, if you saw it, then like and subscribe. And this is the person who does Knuckles, and it's Sonic.exe.
no pausing.
Yeah, no pausing. You have to guess.
No pausing the video to see. That's cheating.
I'm right here. She's right here.
Okay, so guys, as you know, Transformers 8259 only got 2 subscribers.
Trash!
So that means that they're trash, and that means they gotta work harder.
They make more cringe videos every week.
Yeah, but they have dancing videos.
They only have one. Which, for peace sake!
They actually have 2, I think. Yeah, this actually 2. Go.
That should be easier. It's thin.
I can't even fit a line. I can't even fit the line. I can't even fit the line in the transform. Her whole head can fit it.
I got an idea, guys. Guys, we're trying to stay steady on this thing.
Yeah, but our friends didn't get on.
Yeah, they said they would try and knock us off of something. Whoa! Whoa! What are you guys doing? How did we get here? Yo really thought that a billygo bird was actually a real billygo bird. The billygo bird team tried to defeat me one time. So that's why you guys got the name billygo birds. Well, maybe. So all y'all wanted to do was trying to feed me in our own kind of thing. Yeah. Yes, we did. So, you really think that I'm gonna let you guys go for that? You think that? Can you just untie us? No, I cannot untie you until you explain. Okay, we'll explain later. So, we're gonna explain later, so you don't want to come any closer. Well, you're gonna have to explain right now, because if you don't explain, then I'm just gonna call in Blaze and Knuckles because they've been working for me the entire time.
What?
How's that possible? They've been working for me the whole time.
But they were on our team.
They really weren't. They were just trying to trick you to bring you to me. So I hope that you enjoyed the video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment, and share this video with your friends, family, and other soulmates. Now, as I was saying, you guys really think I'm gonna let you get away with this? Well, I will see about that. Stay
Tune
for
part
two.